Hi, my name is Victor Alfonso Ortiz León. This is a video tax stress planning the trip Medellin, Colombia. Introduction of the place. Medellin is a very beautiful city and one of the most important of Colombia. Located in the department of Antioquia, its weather is usually spring. Medellin is the second one city on important of Colombia and the second one more populated. Duration of the trip. This plan has a duration of 3 days and 2 nights. The first day, we will go to Historical Center. There we can see the sculptures of Botero and visit two more site specials. The second day, we will go to El Peñol, the most popular place in Antioquia for its beautiful view and exquisite food. To finish, on the third day, we will go to El Pueblito Paisa. This site is built with colonial architecture and is a very touristic site. Means of transportation. To transport you within the city, we will use metro, then Metro Cable to go to El Peñol and El Pueblito Paisa, we will use bus or car. Anyone is good. Activities to do. First day, we will go to Historic Center of the Medellin. We will visit the Explora Park. We will also take our tour of the neighborhood Pablo Comuna 13 by Metrocable. Second day, we will go to El Peñol by bus, a trip of approximately 2 hours. There we have lunch and climb El Peñol Stone. The view is spectacular. Finally, on the third day, we will go to El Pueblito Paisa. There you will have the possibility to buy souvenirs and more incredible things. Place to stay. For accommodation, you can do it in the hotel zone of Medellin. They are an incredible place and allow access to any part of the city in a short time. You can also stay in cabins or eco hotels located in Peñol. You choose the place. Typical foods. The best is a bandeja paisa. It contains typical ingredients of the region, and they are exquisite, and breakfast in this area of the country are delicious. They have arepa, chocolate, eggs, calentado de frijoles, but you can also find a menu according to your taste. Cost. The cost of this tour package will depend on the hotel site and the number of the people. For two persons in Hotel of Medellin, $660 US, $330 US for persons, or for two persons in cabins or Eco hotels in El Peñol, $940 US, $470 US for persons. Thanks for your attention.